to Gettobyte YouTube channel, your one-stop destination to get the core automotive skill sets and knowledge at one place. From cutting-edge advanced automotive skill sets to the fundamentals of automotive knowledge, we have covered it all. And want to learn these technologies at root level? You can check out our exclusive EdTech courses on the core automotive software and hardware technologies with hands-on tutorials, industry standard topics and concepts, and with a chronological learning. And if you are not ready for a course, you don't have to worry. We have covered it a free playlist series, and this video is part of that playlist series only, in which you will learn the fundamentals of automotive knowledge at a root level. So what are you waiting for? Press subscribe button and hit the notification bell so as to stay subscribed. Fascinated by latest Tesla's futuristic robotaxi car, or BYD's luxury electric vehicles, or the top luxury vehicles of Porsche, BMW, Jaguar, Mercedes, or even the Indian automakers and the vehicles are competing with these vehicles at global level. Ever wondered what all cutting-edge technologies power these marvels on wheels? From autonomous driving to electric powertrain to advanced safety systems, the world of automotive technologies is evolving faster than ever. In this video, we will break down the technologies behind the automotive vehicles of today and the innovation technologies which are shaping them for tomorrow. All the electrical electronic systems in a vehicle comes under the automotive technologies. You take any example: headlight, backlights, infotainment system, automatic seat adjustment, vehicle rooftop, airbag systems, powertrain system, and the list is very long. All these things will be coming under the automotive technologies. Not just electrical electronic systems, but the programming which are done on these systems also come under the automotive technologies. By programming, we largely mean the embedded software and the embedded firmware development, which is a software technology around the different semiconductor chips onto which all of our automotive vehicles are being built upon. Okay, so now guys, before moving further, I would like you guys to introduce to our edtech platform edu.gettobyte.com, where you can find number of courses and the content on the different technologies of automotive so as to learn the core skill sets for this industry, like automotive communication protocols, automotive software programming using the AutoSAR technology, then cyber security and cryptography based courses, different kind of sensors and module interfacing like LiDAR, ultrasonic radar modules, and number of other courses on the automotive and the semiconductor technologies. And the best part is all these courses are complete hands-on and not just theoretical based on our automotive and semiconductor hardware kits. So you can explore all these courses and these kits onto our website and rush into this so as to be the skilled engineer and not just the graduated one.